Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the macroeconomic events that may significantly influence the currency market. We will take a close look at these events in our video review on InstaForex TV channel. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest news. On Monday, Germany will publish its preliminary estimates on the consumer price index. The data may help analysts to predict a general tendency in the Eurozone. Market participants find it difficult to say what to expect from the publication. However, there is a great possibility that the country's inflation will slow down to the zero level. Stagnation and deflation risks are pushing the ECB to take measures. Usually, to cope with a low inflation, it's necessary to cut the key rate. Notably, the regulator has already lowered its key rate to the zero level. That's why such weak inflation figures may result in negative rates. In this case, market reaction could be adverse. On Tuesday, traders will be focused on the Eurozone inflation. Analysts expect negative figures. Such information will surely trigger the sell-off of the euro. However, the day will begin with a Chinese report on the manufacturing PMI. Economists suppose that business activity in the manufacturing sector may move into the contraction area. During the previous 3 months, the indicator was advancing. However, in June, it's likely to decline amid concerns about the second coronavirus wave. In this case, demand for safe haven assets, including the US dollar, may show a jump. Also, on Tuesday, traders will wait for the information that may prove that the UK has entered recession. Analysts suppose that the GDP data will meet the second estimates that showed a decline of 1.6% on a yearly basis. Traders have already priced in these figures. That's why the sell-off of the pound sterling is likely to be a short-term phenomenon. The British national currency could show only a small drop. On Wednesday, market participants will be focused on the flow of information from China. Market analysts will disclose their report on China's manufacturing PMI. Experts take into account performance of small and medium enterprises. Market participants expect that the indicator will go on rising. Such data may revive appetite for risks and boost the Australian dollar. However, the China-Australia conflict may limit activity of the buyers of the Australian dollar. Canberra is calling for an independent investigation, suggesting that China is responsible for the spread of the artificially created virus. Apart from the above-said events, it would be a good idea to take notice of other important reports. On Monday, the United States will report on its housing market. This data reflects the country's consumer activity. On Tuesday, all eyes will be turned to Canada's GDP figures and the US Consumer Confidence Report prepared by the Conference Board. On Wednesday, we will take a close look at market reports on manufacturing PMI of the world's largest economies. Moreover, ADP is expected to unveil the US non-farm employment change data. Apart from that, market participants will focus on the FOMC meeting minutes. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.